Hi, my sewing friends. Today I've got something truly special for you. Let's talk about fabric, some sewing patterns, and a touch of chaos. Let me tell you what happened. So I have been searching for this incredible fabric for about 18 months. And I actually sent out feelers to several fabric shops that we are in contact with. And I was trying to find a dupe for this Spanx Air Essentials fabric. It is this just completely luscious fabric. It's squishy, soft. So I reached out to Surge Fabric Shop, which has been a partner and a collaborator with Love Notions for years and years. And Kayla over there was able to find and source this fabric. And I am floored by how much of a dupe it is for that gorgeous Spanx Air Essentials fabric. So she sent me some and I immediately sewed it up in our current pattern release, which was the Aurora Dress. But of course, I wanted to make this into that set. So if you are as intrigued and interested in this fabric and really in the entire shop at Surge Fabric Shop, I invite you to take a look at your recent email from us. It came out on Tuesday as a part of our Textile Tuesday. It's a fabric feature that we do where we focus on one fabric shop. Will completely help you sew up your Love Notions patterns because of course what are patterns without some great fabric? So Kayla offered a coupon code for just our newsletter subscribers. So check your email and make sure that you shop through the end of the month of March of 2024. And if you are not currently a newsletter subscriber, I will set up a system so that any new subscribers for the month of March, including those who sign up in the next couple of days, will get to have access to that coupon code as well. So it always pays to read your Love Notions newsletter. Make sure that you set us as a priority contact and put us in your priority folder so that nothing gets set to spam. Now, let's discuss how I use this absolutely gorgeous fabric. First of all, I made the Aurora Dress, which was a new pattern, and it was perfect for it. It is a fabric that has great recovery. It's extremely soft and comfortable, and it was essential for my gorgeous make of the Aurora Dress. I think I might wear it for Easter this year because it's just that comfortable pattern. It's got those pockets. It is completely figure flattering with those princess seams. So that's the first thing that I use this fabric for. And then of course, the second thing that I've used this fabric for is that set, the dupe of the Spanx set. So I use the Constellation Pullover. This pattern comes with a hood, but I just used the regular stand collar option. And then I also paired it with this week's feature pattern, which is the Resolution bottoms. These are a quick sew bottom sewing pattern. I used the yoga pant in the boot cut version. So it actually is a pattern that has 4 different styles: leggings, yoga pant, joggers, and you can do a moto pattern for your leggings, or you can do a regular yoga pant or a boot cut yoga pant. So I used the yoga pant that was with the boot cut style, and I'm so glad that I did. I have completely replicated this set that I have been lusting over for literally almost 2 years, and I could not be happier with this set. It's washed beautifully, and of course this color, perfect for spring. I think Surge actually has this fabric in maybe like 4 or 5 different colors. There's a few colors that are nearing the end of the yardage that they have in stock, but I know that the tan color was doing pretty good and the black color was doing pretty good. So oh my goodness, what a great set that would make. So if you have already signed up for the newsletter, make sure that you grab that code and take your 15% off at Surge using this shopping for this fabric. Now let's talk about the chaos of this entire journey. You already know I've been searching for this fabric for almost 2 years. I finally find it, or Kayla finally finds it for me. I'm so excited for it. She only sent me 2 yards initially, which was so kind of her, but I actually had to reach back out and ask, hey, do you happen to have another yard lying around that I could use for this Spanx set? She luckily did, which was so nice of her to send it over. And then we got a new dog. His name is Lincoln, and he's adorable, but he's a 70-pound Bernedoodle, and he's still learning. And little Lincoln just chews everything. There is no room for pillows in our home right now because Lincoln chews up all the things. So he recently had his neutering, and he has kind of toned down a little bit, but we just cannot leave anything that is remotely pillow shaped around him. And unfortunately, I left the package from Kayla with that extra yard, the double knit fabric in it, and Lincoln got to it. And when I tell you that I was distraught finding this chewed up ball of fabric, oh boy, we had to put Lincoln away for a little while because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So that was the saga for this incredible fabric. Every moment was worth it. And I got my ideal set that I plan to wear for travel. I plan to wear it for hanging around the house. I plan to wear it just to take the dog on the walk, and all of the other things that I can think of. It's gonna be such a great set for spring, and it just feels amazing to wear it. So there you have it. From a mischievous dog to a fabulous fabric find, it has been quite the adventure. So if you would like to continue hearing more about our fabric and sewing journey, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and get those exclusive discounts on amazing fabrics and designs, as well as all of the news about our new pattern releases. We have a couple that are coming out for spring and summer that you are going to absolutely be in love with. And be sure to like and follow here on YouTube so that you stay up to date with everything that's happening at Love Notions. We love to hear from you, so drop us a comment. Tell me about your adventures with your furry friends and how they've interacted with your sewing space. Can't wait to hear about all of those shenanigans. And please drop us any questions, requests, anything that you'd like to see more of from us. And don't forget to shop Feature Friday, because one of the patterns I mentioned in here will be our $5 Feature Friday pattern. Thanks for sewing with us, and have a great weekend.